first review.
Hi guys, welcome to my first review. Today we're gonna do treasure hunt, and we need the map. So we got this where we can say the word. We have it. Let's open it and let's see, and let's go to find the treasure. Right here. So first we walk right here. Here's all the trees. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Okay, let's go. And then we go like a first. Gonna go this tree. That one. Come on, friends. Okay, this is the location. Okay, and now we need to go around with the trees. Let's go something weird and let's open it. Let's sit right here. So first we got some balloons and there's like a lot of colors and on that like that it got a lot of colors, rainbows, and it got questions like that, and let's open it. Let's see, okay? Look, first we got blue, we got pink, and yellow. Let's open more toys. So first we got slime. We're gonna open it. Just like that. We got some Sparkies. We got another something like a horse, and we got a spoon, and we got slime. And you are playing it along. And let's open like something. This let's open this. But first, just need to do like that, and it's sticky. It's sticky. Let's open it. It's coming up. Look, guys. Wow. That's cool. Wow, look, it's got lots of glitter. And then let's mix it. Let's mix it. Let's open something else. Open it. See that there's something. Open it. Wow, what is it? Oh, let's open it. What is this? Look. Open it. We got this, and let's turn around like that. That one, a lot of stuff. And let's look the cookie where we can put it. And we got something right here. Let me see. Open it. Okay. So I need to open my heart. There's a slime. More slime. That's awesome. Look, smell it. Let's take it away and let's take it away and let's play it. Wow. Let's make something. Let me make something new. There you go. And let's put this like this. It looks like an egg. Then we take it out. And egg. Okay, and let's do like this. And it's sticky. And you want to place a slime? Let's play. I gonna do something, and I'm gonna open more stuff because I am. Yeah. It's fun. I like to play this game. Okay, and let's take your time. Take your time, and you want to see it. Like you can pass them. You can pass them. So let me get it. Here. Okay. It smells good. Let me play some. Let's see. See. I like it. Okay, let's go. Let's take this with the cookie man. Okay. We do it like that, and then we're gonna do is to cookie. And then look, this is awesome. I'm gonna play this later, and so let me show this. And like that. And we got some more slime where we can play. Okay. And okay, I'm tired. So then let's close it and let's play like more stuff. So let's put the Cookie Man and Cookie. And let's put it on. Let's close it and stuff, and let's mix it. Because I like to mix it. Like so. It can fall since it's Okay, now let's close this up for a little bit because and then put it like this. Just like that. I forgot. Then let's close it. And there's balloons, and then we got some more stuff. I got a heart. Look, hey, mix it. I get it like shopping. There's a lot of colors like a rainbows. There's everything. There's a star. And this one is Earth. And it grabs a looks bit. Because ooh, money. I like money. We got 5. See? 100. 10, 5, 1. And just put it here to get it. And we got some for fruit. Like a tray. There's some. And we got some phone for your mom. Beep, boop, boop. There it is. Hello. Yeah, okay. And yeah, we got another legs bed. It's a mermaid. He swim like that. There's glitter. There's pink, something like that. And disgusting. Okay. So slimy. I know. There's like spin mermaid. And we get the second one, a pink real one. It's pink. It's not. It has some. And we got another leg spit is another leg spit is like that. Let's open it. Wow. Open it. Look. It's cherry. Look. It's a makeup. Try some. Now we're gonna fill up the balloons. Pink, blue, yellow. Let's go. Pink is fluffy. I already heard. Look, it's coming water. Beautiful water. Now it's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming! It's coming! Right? There's more balloons. And then there's last one, okay? Just let me open it. And now we get a change for my shift view. Ta-da! This is all the balloons. Look, one pop one. Look, they're cool, yeah? They're pink. Blue. There's a bigger one. Red. Green. No, there's nothing. Purple. White. thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.